let's talk about the one tip that you need to know when it comes to using any Office tool, and it's the Format Painter. It's this little paintbrush that's right up here. You use it to copy the formatting from one thing to another. It's a huge time saver. And let's show you how powerful this really is. So I'm going to get started here. It's just a generic slide deck. And maybe I want to change this just a little bit and we'll make it bigger. There we go. So I changed some formatting. I can even change the font, and every single thing that I've done in terms of formatting will be copied. Format Painter, and then just paint the format on there. Boom. I'm going to do this a few times. So let's grab this, and this time we'll double click on it. Now it's a sticky setting, and I just paint, paint, paint everything that I want. Boom. And just like that, that's the one Office tip you need to know.